Our top news this week. ARRI has released a new firmware update for the Alexa Mini and the Mira cameras. The latest SUP 6.1.2 is a remedial update that fixes important bugs and support for modified hardware parameters, as well as retaining the new features added with the previous SUP 6.1.1. As a reminder, those include improved noise reduction algorithms, as well as support for noise reduction in HD and 2K modes. Other improvements include extended image sharpness range and improved defect pixel correction. Camera operators now also have the benefit of faster boot up times and frame line shading in the EVF and over the SDI monitoring output. Sigma has introduced a new wide-angle lens to their latest I-Series Premium Compact Primes range. The new Sigma 20mm f2 DGDN has been specifically designed for full-frame mirrorless cameras and will be available in both Sony E and L mount. Currently the widest in the range, the new 20mm lens joins the already available 24mm, 35 and 65mm I-Series Sigma Primes. The lens boasts a compact and lightweight footprint at just 370 grams, premium build quality, a physical aperture ring, a focus mode switch, and an advanced optical formula for exceptionally vivid and sharp images in both stills and video. The L-mount version of the lens will also support linear and non-linear focus ring settings when in manual focus mode. Adobe has released a new update for their editing suite. The new Premiere Pro 22.2 update brings some exciting new features and workflow improvements to editors and filmmakers. 10-bit 420 HEVC exports are now up to 10 times faster on Windows machines with NVIDIA GPUs, while the new Adobe Sensei-powered remix functionality saves time by using AI to retime songs to a specific duration so that your music matches your videos. In addition, speech-to-text can now also be used offline to generate transcriptions up to 3 times faster on Intel Core i9 and Apple M1 systems. Adobe has also added support for more GPU-accelerated effects, such as linear wipe and block dissolve, now offering smoother and faster performance. And that's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.